Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2146 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your fuel injector power supply system. And if this system fails, your engine can start misfiring or even run unevenly. P2146 stands for Fuel Injector Group, a supply voltage circuit open. In simple words, the ECU is detecting that the injector group circuit is open. That means injectors are not receiving proper electrical power. And without proper voltage, fuel injection cannot work correctly. Now understand this carefully. Fuel injectors spray fuel into the engine cylinders in precise timing. If voltage is missing or interrupted, injectors may stop working. And this leads to poor combustion inside the engine. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2146, you may notice: check engine light on, engine misfire, rough idle, poor acceleration, hard starting, reduced fuel economy, engine hesitation during driving. And in severe cases, engine may feel like running on fewer cylinders. Now location very important. Fuel injectors are located on the fuel rail. This fuel rail is mounted on the intake manifold or cylinder head. Depending on engine design, layout may change. Group refers to a specific set of injectors controlled by ECU. The injector wiring harness runs through the engine bay, and this area is exposed to heat, vibration, and oil contamination. Injector fuse and relay are usually located in the engine fuse box. Now, most common causes. In real-world diagnosis, P2146 is usually caused by blown injector fuse, faulty injector relay, broken or open wiring in injector circuit, loose or corroded injector connectors, faulty fuel injector, or ECU driver circuit failure in rare cases. Quick diagnosis steps: start by scanning for additional injector-related codes. Then check injector fuse and relay in engine fuse box. Inspect wiring harness carefully for cuts or damage. Check injector connectors for corrosion or looseness. Use a multimeter to verify voltage at injector terminals. If no voltage is present, issue is in power supply or wiring. Repair process: repair damaged wiring first. Replace blown fuse or faulty relay, clean or fix corroded connectors. Replace faulty injector if required. Clear the code from ECU and perform a proper road test. Estimated repair cost: fuse replacement is very cheap. Relay is low cost, wiring repair is medium cost. Injector replacement is expensive. And ECU repair is rare and costly. Final result: fixing P2146 will restore proper fuel delivery. Engine will run smoother. Misfires will stop. And performance will return to normal. If this video helped, subscribe IG Garage and comment your car model for more diagnostic help.